Hi all, welcome to our class. We have studied multiplication of two fractions. Let us do some problems of multiplication of two fractions. First one, find 1 by 4 of, first question 1 by 4, second question 3 by 5 and C 4 by 3. One more question, 1 by 7 of 2 by 9, 6 by 5 and 3 by 2. So first question, 1 by 4 of 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. So find 1 by 4 of, these are first question, second question, third question. 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. First question, 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. Which is equal to 1 by 4 of 1 by 4 means 1 by 4 of means 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. 1 by 4 of 1 by 4 means 1 by 4 into 1 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. Here 1 is the numerator, here 1 is the numerator, multiply these two. 1 into 1, 1. 4 into 4, 60. So 1 by 4 of 1 by 4 is 1 by 60. Second question, 1 by 4 of 3 by 5. 1 by 4 of 3 by 5. You have to find out 1 by 4 of 3 by 5, which means 1 by 4 of means into 3 by 5. So 1 by 4 into 3 by 5. So 1 by 4 into 3 by 5 means 1 into 3, 3. Multiply the denominators means 4 into 5, 20. So answer is 3 by 20. Third one, 1 by 4 of, third question is 4 by 3. 1 by 4 of 4 by 3. 1 by 4 of 4 by 3 means 1 by 4 into 4 by 3. 1 by 4 into 4 by 3, which is equal to 1 into 4, 4, 4 into 3, 12. So 4 by 12. Here 4, here 12, in 4 and here 12, here 4 is common, so we can cut with the 4, so we got 1, 3 into 4, 12, so 1 by 3. Or we can cut with this to 4, we get 1 by 3. So answer is, when we cut with the 4, 1 and here 3. So answer is 1 by 3. So 1 by 4 of 1 by 4 is 1 by 16. 1 by 4 of 3 by 5 is equal to 3 by 20. 1 by 4 of 4 by 3 is equal to 4 by 12, which is equal to 1 by 3. Second question. 1 by 7 of, first one, 2 by 9. Second question, 1 by 7 of 6 by 5. And third one, 1 by 7 of 3 by 10. Let us discuss 1 by 7 of 2 by 9, 6 by 5 and 3 by 10, which is equal to 1 by 7 of 2 by 9, which is equal to 1 by 7 into 2 by 9. 1 by 7 into 2 by 9, which is equal to 1 into 2, 2, 7 into 9, 63. 7 into 9, 63. Multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. So 1 into 2 and 7 into 9, 63. Second question, 1 by 7 of 6 by 5. 1 by 7 of 6 by 5 means 1 by 7 into 6 by 5, which is equal to 1 into 6, 6, 7 into 5, 35. So 6 by 35. So 1 by 7 of 6 by 5 is equal, which is equal to 6 by 35. Last one, 1 by 7 of 3 by 10, which is equal to 1 by 7 into 3 by 10, which is equal to 1 by 7 into 3 by 10, which is equal to 1 into 3, 3, 7 into 10, 70. So 3 by 70. So 1 by 7 of 3 by 10 is equal to 3 by 70. So to multiply two fractions, multiply the numerators and write here, and multiply the denominators and write as a denominator. So we can multiply two fractions. Another question, which is greater, 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 or 3 by 5 of 5 by 8? We have to check which is greater, 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 or 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. So first we take 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. What do you mean by 2 by 7 of 3 by 4? Which means 2 by 7 into 3 by 4. 2 by 7 into 3 by 4, which is equal to 2 into 3, 6, and 7 into 4, 28. 7 into 4, 28. So 6 by 28, 6 is a multiple of 2, 28 is also a multiple of 2, so we can cut with the 2, both numerator and denominator. We will get, when we cut with the 2, we will get 3. Here, when we cut with the 2, we will get 40. 40 into 2, 28. So we got 3 by 40. So 2 by 7 of 3 by 4, which is equal to 3 by 40. Second one, 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. 3 by 5 of 5 by 8, which is equal to 3 by 5 into 5 by 8. 3 by 5 into 5 by 8, which is equal to 3 into 5, 15. 5 into 8, 40. Or we can cut with this 5. We will get 3 by 8. When we cut with 5, we will get 3 into 5, 15, and 8 into 5, 40. Or we can directly cut with the 5. We will get 3 by 8. So 3 by 5 of 5 by 8, which is equal to 3 by 8. Our question is, which is greater, this or this? This is 3 by 14 and this is 3 by 8. So which is greater, 3 by 14 or 3 by 8? So we have to compare 3 by 14 and 3 by 8. How we compare 3 by 14 and 3 by 8? Here denominator is 14, here denominator is 8. In order to compare two fractions, we have studied that to compare two fractions, the denominators should be same. Here one is 14, here 8. So we have to change the denominator. So 14 and 8. So let us find the LCM of 14 and 8. We are going to find the LCM of 14 and 8. Which is common, 2 is there. So we can cut with 2. So 2 means 7, 4. Again 7, 1, write the 4 itself. Again 4, 1, 1. So LCM is 4 into 7, 28, 28 into 2, 56. So LCM is 56. So we have two fractions, 3 by 14 and 3 by 8. So we are going to compare 3 by 14 and 3 by 8. So LCM is 56. So first we write 3 by 14. We have to change this 14 into LCM, that is 56. So we have to multiply with the numerator and denominator by 4. Then we will get 14 into 4, 56. So in order to change this 14 into 56, we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 4, which is equal to 3 into 4. 3 into 4, 12. 14 into 4, 4, 56. So 3 by 4 change it into 12 by 56. Next one is 3 by 8. 3 by 8, which means 3 by 8. We have to change this 8 into 56. So we have to multiply with the 7. So multiply with the 7, then the denominator will become 56. 8 into 7, 56. 3 into 7, 21. So we got 3 into 7, 21, and 8 into 7, 56. So we got 3 by 14 as 12 by 15 and 3 by 8 as 21 by 56. Sorry, 12 by 56 and 21 by 56. So which is bigger, 12 by 56 or 21 by 56? So 21 by 56 is bigger. So 3 by 8. 3 by 8 means 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 is 3 by 8. So 3 by 8 is equal to 21 by 56, which is bigger one. So we can say that 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 is greater. So our conclusion is 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 is greater than 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. So 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 is greater than 2 by 7 of, or 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 greater than 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. So this is the greater one. Another question. A car runs 16 km using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover using 2 3 by 4 liters of petrol? A car runs 60 km using 1 liter of petrol. So distance covered in 1 liter of petrol, that is given. Distance covered in 1 liter of petrol, that is 16 km. So 1 liter of petrol, car runs 60 km. It will cover 16 km. You have to find out how much distance will it cover using 2 3 by 4 liters of petrol. So distance covered in 2 3 by 4 liters of petrol is equal to, in 1 liter 60 km. So 2 3 by 4 liter means 2 3 by 4 into 60. 1 liter petrol 60 km. So 2 3 by 4 liters of petrol, distance is 2 3 by 4 into 60 kilometers. Which is equal to 2 3 by 4 into 60. One is mixed fraction and other is whole number. So 2 3 by 4 into 16 means, first we have to change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 2 3 by 4 means 4 into 2 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 by 4, 11 by 4 into 60. 11 by 4 into 60 is equal to, 11 by 4 into 60 means this is a fraction, this is a whole number. So we have to multiply this fraction with a whole number, multiply the numerators. That is 11 into 60 by 4. 11 into 16 by 4. Here 4, here 16. We can cut with the 4. We will get 4, here 1. So we got 11 into 4 by 1. That is 11 into 4, 44 by 1 kilometer. What is 44 by 1? 44 by 1 means 44. So 44 kilometers it will cover. So in 1 liters of petrol, it will cover 16 kilometers using 2 3 by 4 liters of petrol. 2 3 by 4 into 16, we will get 14 by 1, which means 40 kilometers. So using 2 3 by 4 liters of petrol, car cover 44 kilometers.